Hello guys, right, this is mainly for Bethesda, for Fallout, what's down here. They keep telling me to fix the problem of the loading screen and the sound problem and all the crap. To basically go here, to go down here, and then go to your save data, and then delete this file, what is the reserved space. Well, there you go, I'm now just deleted that. That there is your account. You do not ever delete that. Watch this. This is where it goes from having sound, as hopefully you guys can hear it, to not having any sound at all because the goddamn game has too much to load for an online system. So you can hear sound, or you should be able to. I mean, it's coming out of my speakers, what are down here in the bottom corner near my near my mic. Also, I'm doing this on the Xbox. As you can see, there's no headset in there at the minute. I will be putting a headset in there to prove that it's not my monitors or my speakers. So we're going to go into the game. Signs me in and does all the crap that it's meant to do. Found world, please stand by. Takes a while to load in because obviously it's an online based game. It's got to load up a ton of textures. As you can hear, the sound's still fine. There's loading. And there it's gone. No sound. So Bethesda, for your information, your game is so screwed that it doesn't fucking work, and you need to get on this as quickly as you can, because you're going to piss off a lot of people. I mean, the game's loaded in, textures are in, I did the, the stopping of the game and then the deleting the file, what you told me to delete, and nothing works. Before you ask of anything else, I go here, I'll go down to sounds and all that lot, and then go to video output. There you go. It's all set up. I don't need to change anything. It's all set up. I can even put it into that, what's recommended, and it will do the exact same thing. So yeah, if anybody else has problem with Fallout76 having this trouble, get hold of Bethesda at Bethesda, what is it, studio? Or Bethesda support, and just turn around and tell them that there is a problem. I mean, this video is going up on YouTube anyway, so I mean, if you guys have worked out how to fix this damn game for doing this stupid fucking glitch or whatever, please tell me. Bethesda, if you have the brain power to actually fucking sort this out, and sort it out. Because like I said, I've paid £59 for this game, and it's Oh well, thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, if you have the same problem, please, put it in the comments below, and I will try to get hold of Bethesda and fucking get them to sort the damn thing out. But yeah, catch you in a bit.